Alright. Alrighty. We all know this elevator. That's right. This is the elevator at the Grand Hall at the Pennsylvania Convention Center in Center City, Philadelphia, Pennsylvania. Montgomery Kone. It's really red. See? Close it up. You going down? What floor?
One, I think. One down.
1 or C? Okay. Have a good night. Wow, they redid the cab too. It really needed this cab renovation. Go back up to 2 if no one's down here. Go back up to 2 if no one's here. Good. Okay, good. Huh? Pretty nice elevator. We're gonna end it at C if no one's here. So I can find a spot to charge my phone before the next train leaves. Before my train back to Devon. I think I might have to get a fountain drink at Panera. I think that's what I'm gonna do. We'll end it at 1. We're gonna end it up at 1. If no one's here. Oh, you going up? 1 or 2? You going to 1 or 2?
1.
Yeah, that's where I'm going. You have a good night. There's that lantern. And that's it.